Ever been stuck in a place where your internet just dies and Google Maps stops working? Yeah, that's exactly why offline maps are a lifesaver. You can literally download an area before you travel and use it anytime without data or Wi-Fi. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to download offline maps in Google Maps and keep navigation working even when you're completely offline. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Switch to satellite view if you want a clearer visual of the area. Now tap your profile icon in the top right corner and go into Offline Maps. Tap Select your own map. Adjust the box by zooming in or out depending on how big an area you want. Smaller area equals less storage, bigger area equals more space used. Once you're good with it, tap Download. While it's downloading, you can tap the map name at the top and rename it to something easier to remember, like a city or trip name. After that, just wait for the download to finish, and the map will be saved on your device for offline use. And that's it! Now you've got offline maps ready for travel, emergencies, or just saving mobile data. Super quick setup, but honestly really useful when your signal disappears at the worst time. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Catch you in the next one.